County officials are warning people about pizza in Stoughton that may have been contaminated with THC. Public Health Madison and Dane County are urging people to throw out the pizza from famous Yeti's Pizza due to potential contamination. The pizza was served October 21st through the 24th. People who ate the pizza and are experiencing THC symptoms are asked to call their health care provider or call 911. Symptoms can include increased blood pressure, paranoia, hallucinations, along with other things. Stoughton EMS alerted public health to the contamination after multiple people were taken to the hospital. Officials said the oil in the container used to make the pizza tested positive for THC.